Good morning, Dragons. Today we are going to continue in our Unit 7 measurement. We are on day 13 of digital learning. Today's just going to be a review about the best units to measure with depending on the object, as well as measurement conversions. So I've included in this Google Slides our lesson from last Wednesday. If you want to review it, it has the videos and things like that where we talk about what weight is, what length is, what capacity is. So we go into detail about all of that. So this is just a review, but what we're really going to be focusing on today is weight. So I want you to go ahead and try to pick the best units to measure with for all of these 1 through 6. So you have the picture of lemonade, a pumpkin, other objects that I want you to go ahead and figure out what the best measurement is. You're going to have highlighted pieces. You're supposed to drag these and put them over whatever you think the correct answer is. So make sure you're doing that so I know what answer you're picking. Alright, if you've done that, I'm now going to do several practice problems with you for converting different units of weight. So you have the conversion chart here. So 16 ounces is the same as 1 pound, and 2,000 pounds is the same as 1 ton. I've also put the function machine on here for you to try and use as a visual tool. So whatever goes in, so if we had 1 pound go in, we would have 16 ounces come out, and the rule would be times 16. So now if I put a 4 in the machine, because it's saying I have 4 pounds, I'm going to multiply that by 16. So I'm using area model here, and I got 4 times 10 was 40, and 4 times 6 was 24. When I added those together, I got 64. So I know that 4 pounds is equivalent to 64 ounces. They have the same value. They're just using different units of measurement. Go ahead and pause the video and try number 9. Alright, for number 9, I have 16 ounces and I need to know how many pounds that is. Well, if I look back at my weight conversion chart, I see that 16 ounces is equivalent to 1 pound, so it already gives it to me. Go ahead and pause the video and try the next problem. Next, I have 2 tons, and I'm going to pounds, so that T just represents the unit tons. So I have to figure out how many pounds are in a ton. So I can go over to my function machine and use that. If I put a 1 in the function machine, I know I'm going to get 2,000 as the output. So I know the rule is times 2,000, because 1 times 2,000 is 2,000. But here I have 2 tons, so I have to figure out how many pounds that is. So I'm going to put 2 tons into the machine, and I'm going to multiply it by my rule times 2,000. So I know that 2 times 2,000 is 4,000. So I know that 2 tons is equivalent to 4,000 pounds. I've been working with these conversions for several days now. I just want you to try 13, 8, 10, 12, and 14 just so I can check it on It's Learning later and see if you're understanding this. If you have any questions, please email me, and I hope you guys have a great day.